Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Students, hope you are doing well. Students, it is your duty to listen all the video lectures carefully and work accordingly in your notebook and book. Otherwise, it will be difficult and harder for you to complete your work. Now come to today's topic. Before moving to the topic, I am going to tell you that your English book, your textbook name, My English Book 7 follows the international textbook style, means every unit of this book covers the 4 basic English skills like reading, speaking, writing and listening. As you can see in the content, the chapter, every unit is comprised of reading comprehension, speaking, language practice, writing, study skills, and there is a fun activity for the students. So today you can see in the content that language practice is a mandatory section of every lesson. You can see the whole index. I can show you. With every chapter you have this topic is covered. Language practice in unit 2, language practice in unit 3. In this section, in this section where different structures and topics of grammar are discussed, and for students practice एक्सरसाइजेज आर गिवन मीन्स या इस जो लैंग्वेज प्रैक्टिस का जो सेक्शन है इसमें आपके पास कुछ ग्रामर के टॉपिक्स होते हैं जिसको जो है वो उसमें एक्सप्लेनेशन अलॉन्ग विद एक्सरसाइजेज होती है फॉर स्टूडेंट्स प्रैक्टिस के लिए कुछ एक्सरसाइजेज दी जाती हैं और बहुत अच्छी टॉपिक्स होते हैं जिनसे आपकी ग्रामर की स्किल्स इम्प्रूव होती हैं. नाउ ओपन पेज नंबर 11, यूनिट 1. What is unit 1? It was effects of our action on our environment. Language practice, open page number 11. You can see there is a topic under the heading of language practice, possessive pronouns. Today I am going to explain you what is possessive pronoun in detail, and then at the end we will do the exercises which are given in your book, inshallah. Our topic is actually possessive pronouns that is present in your book, in your textbook. Before coming to the topic, I will explain you what is pronoun, the types of pronoun, and then the possessive pronoun in detail, inshallah. Okay, let's come to the pronoun. As you know that there are 8 parts of speech, and pronoun is the second important part of speech. And what is pronoun? Pronoun is a word. It's a word that is used instead of noun. Okay, means क्या इसका मतलब क्या है? Pronoun एक ऐसा word होता है जो noun की जगह इस्तेमाल होता है. If pronoun and noun do not come together, कभी भी ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि जब pronoun लिखा हो तो noun भी आप उसके साथ आए. तो pronoun क्या होता है? Pronoun is a word. For example, Sarah is absent. So what should I use instead of Sarah? Sarah के लिए what is the suitable pronoun? You know that, you have an idea. Sarah के लिए मैं use कर सकती हूँ she, लेकिन as I told you they do not come together. तो मैं this is not correct to say like this. She Sarah is absent. Yes, Sarah she is absent. This is totally incorrect. So what I use instead of noun, as I said to you before कि instead of noun आता है तो instead of Sarah what should I write? What will be the sentence? She is absent today. You understand? Okay. So pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. It is better to avoid the repetition of a noun in a sentence. We use pronoun. Okay, ताकि सेंटेंस में बार बार नाउन रिपीट ना हो. इंस्टेड ऑफ repetition we use pronoun. So let's come to the 4 basic types of pronoun. There are so many types of pronouns, but these are the basic one for the beginners, for the students of class 7. What are the basic type? First is personal, second is demonstrative, third is interrogative, and fourth is possessive pronoun. As you have a very clear idea about the personal pronoun. Personal pronouns are the pronouns that take the place of nouns. They can be a subject pronoun or can be an object pronoun. मीन्स जो नाउन की जगह पे एट द प्लेस ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट आए, एट द प्लेस ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट आए, यानी इन द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस या इन द बिगनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस, और वो किसी नाउन के प्लेस को रिप्लेस करें, तो दीज टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोनाउन आर कॉल्ड द पर्सनल प्रोनाउन. इज इट? I, for example, I, we, he, she, it, they, these are some subject pronoun, and me, us, you, his, her, them, it, these are the object pronoun, means they come at the end of the sentence. Okay, you have an idea about what personal pronoun is. Okay, now come to the second type, demonstrative pronoun. What demonstrative pronoun is? Demonstrative pronoun are used to point out the objects to which they are referred. ठीक है, पॉइंट आउट करने के लिए इस्तेमाल होते हैं. देयर आर बेसिकली वी हैव दिस, दैट, दीज एंड दोस. यू आर फेमिलियर विद ऑल 4 ऑफ दीज, बट देयर आर अदर देन दीज 4. इसके अलावा भी होते हैं, लेकिन फॉर ओनली फॉर यू पीपल आई एम जस्ट पॉइंटिंग आउट द 4, दिस, दैट, दीज एंड those. Okay, now what is come to the third type, that is called the interrogative pronouns. Interrogative pronouns are used for asking questions. Obviously, as you see the name here, कि इसमें आप interrogative pronouns कौन से pronouns होते हैं जिसमें आप जो है वो questions करते हैं. These are some I have written here, who, which, what, where, how, when. These are some interrogative pronouns that is used for asking question. Now come to our today's topic, that is called the possessive pronoun. What possessive pronoun? I am telling you in brief, in short, that possessive means possession, means belongingness, belonging, ownership, like this. possessive pronoun जिसमें हम अपनी belonging को या अपनी belongingness को show करते हैं. Progressive pronoun, possessive pronoun talk about the things belonging to the people or anything, जिसमें हम possession show करते हैं किसी people के से या thing से, जो possession show करते हैं, मिल्कियत को show करते हैं, ownership को show करते हैं, तो उसमें हम जो pronoun use करते हैं, these are called the possessive pronoun. I have written some of it, mine, ours, yours, its, theirs, and your, hers, his. These are some possessive pronoun. I have made the chart for you people, but before going to the chart, before explaining the chart, I will first tell you what possessive pronoun, and I have also made the column for possessive adjective, because sometimes students get confused while they cannot differentiate easily between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. Okay, because it both seems similar. I have made the chart for you. First, for the first column I have made for subject pronoun, second is for object pronoun, third is for possessive adjective, and fourth, the last one is possessive pronoun. Okay, as I told you, subject pronoun is a pronoun which comes in the beginning of this sentence or the statement. For example, I is the first person pronoun, and we is also the first person pronoun. And what is the object pronoun of I? That is me. We cannot write I in end of the sentence, and in the similar way, we cannot use we in the end of the sentence. But in some cases, we are allowed to write I and we in the end of the sentences. But this is not the matter of discussion for today. कर सकते हैं हम आखिर में भी, लेकिन वो कुछ स्पेशल और केसेस होते हैं जिसमें हम आई और वी को आखिर में यूज़ कर सकते हैं. वी कैन यूज समटाइम्स सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन एट द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस, बट यूजुअली वी यूज ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन, वी यूज सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट. ओके, नाउ वी हैव अ सेकंड पर्सन प्रोनाउन, दैट इज you. For the subject and object both have a similar word. You in the beginning of the sentence and in the end of the sentence दोनों में use होता है. Now we have come to the third person pronoun, he, she, it, and they. He is the subject pronoun, and the object pronoun is the objective case is him. She is subjective case, and her is the objective case. In the same way, it and it both have the same objective and subjective case. They is the subjective case and them is the objective case. Subjective or objective, as I told you, that comes at the place of the subject, this is called the subjective case, and that comes at the end of the sentence, this is called the objective case. Okay, now come to the possessive pronouns of these pronouns. I, for I we have a possessive pronoun my, and for we I have a possessive pronoun ours. Okay, this is very important, students. What the students do, note that no apostrophes are used here. What does it mean? This is incorrect to write like this, totally incorrect to write like this. So this is not allowed to use apostrophe, as your students should guard against the common mistakes of writing the possessive pronoun with an apostrophe. यानी आपको जो है इस मिस्टेक से अवॉइड करना चाहिए कि आप लोग अक्सर जो है we have noticed that कि while you are writing the possessive pronoun, so आप उधर क्या करते हो, वहाँ पर apostrophe लगा देते हो. This is totally wrong. Okay, so what will be the possessive pronoun of I? It will be mine. What is the possessive pronoun of we? It will be ours. And what is the possessive pronoun of you? Yours, he, his, she, hers, it, its, they, theirs. Okay, yeah, so make it learn. So it will be, you will if you learn it, it will be easier for you. Okay, what is the next thing? I have written some example on the whiteboard. Before explaining the possessive adjective, first I will explain possessive pronoun through examples, and then I will tell you what is the main difference between the possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. Okay, I have made an illustrated example on the whiteboard. Means along with the picture I have done it. Okay, you can see there is a sea and there is a board. What man is doing? He is catching a fish and collecting the fish in the basket, and there is also a bird who is also catching the fish. So this fish, ये जो है, ये वाली जो फिश है जिसको ये पर्सन कैच कर रहा है, तो ऑब्वियसली ये किसकी बिलोंगिंग हो गई है? अब ये इस पर्सन की बिलोंगिंग हो गई है. सो व्हाट विल बी द, हाउ कैन आई शो द बिलोंगनेस ऑफ दिस फिश टू दैट पर्सन और टू अ पर्सन? मैं कैसे शो कर सकती हूँ इस फिश की बिलोंगिंग को पर्सन से? तो व्हाट शुड आई राइट हियर? दिस फिश, यानी मैं इस फिश की बात कर रही हूँ. दिस फिश इज because I'm consider it as a first person pronoun. इसको first person pronoun कर लीजिए या third person कर लीजिए, it's up to you. second person कर लीजिए, you भी कर सकते हैं. तो what will be the sentence according to the first person pronoun? This fish is mine. Okay, ये किसकी fish हो गई है? This fish is mine. अगर मैं इसको third person करूँगी तो क्या कह सकती हूँ मैं इसे? My sentence will be like this: This fish is his because he is male. Okay, and अगर मैं इसको second person में change करना चाहूँ तो मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ? This fish is yours. Okay, so what I'm showing the belonging of fish to a person. कैसे मैंने show की है? मैंने show की है through the possessive pronoun, as I have shown you on the I have written on the whiteboard. Now come to that here. As you know that for bird we have a pronoun it. as a subject pronoun हमारे पास क्या होता है? It होता है. अब मैं इस bird fish की belonging को फिर से represent कर रही हूँ to a animal. तो मैं क्या लिखूँगी? What is the sentence? This fish is its. मैंने क्या लिखा है सेंटेंस? मैं फिश को बिलोंग कर रही हूँ किससे? बर्ड से कर रही हूँ. एंड यू नो दैट फॉर द बर्ड वी यूज इट. दिस फिश इज इट्स. अब बताइए, ये बताइए ये मछली किसकी है? इट इज, ये मछली इस आदमी की है या इस बर्ड की है? तो आप यू कैन बेटर आंसर इट. ये जाहिर सी बात है ये मछली इस बर्ड की है. तो फॉर दिस मैं इसकी बिलोंगिंग को कैसे शो करूँगी? टू द बर्ड. दिस फिश इज इट्स. ओके, now come to the remaining examples I have written on the whiteboard. Okay, can you see that picture? आपको picture नज़र आ रही है? I have drawn some books here. Okay, so how can I show the belonging to the person or a thing? किससे मैं किस तरह कर सकती हूँ? I have written the sentence here. You can see here. These are our books. Okay. What does it mean? ये हमारी किताबें हैं. But if I show the position, ये भी position show हो रही है हमारी किताबें. This is also a position. As I told you कि possessive adjective भी होता है. तो इसमें वो possessive ये this is the example of possessive adjective. I will tell you later in the end of the lecture. लेकिन अभी आपका your concern is this sentence. These लेकिन in another way आप इसको किस तरह deal कर सकते हैं, किस तरह write कर सकते हैं? These books are ours. ये books जो हैं हमारी हैं. You are showing possession here in the second sentence through possessive pronoun. You can observe here कि हमारे पास what is the possessive pronoun here? Ours. Okay. This ours is a possessive pronoun. Okay. Now we have a second sentence. You can see here the car, and this is if I ये किसी अगर मेल की कार है तो मैं क्या कह सकती हूँ? This is his car. But through possessive pronoun, what will be the sentence? This car is his. तो मैंने how I am showing the possession of this car through a possessive pronoun like his. You can see here. Now we have a third example that is called rosary. Rosary means tasbih. This is if it belongs to a girl or a female gender, तो क्या लिखूंगी मैं? This is her rosary. लेकिन the another way of writing this sentence through possessive pronoun के through मैं इसको मेरा sentence क्या हो जाएगा? This rosary is hers. So what hers is the possessive pronoun. In the same way, the last example I have written here, I have made 4 pencils here, and I am telling this. I can say like this, those are their pencils. ये उनकी pencils हैं. लेकिन through possessive pronoun मैं इसको कैसे explain कर सकती हूँ? Those pencils are theirs. ये वो पेंसिलें उनकी हैं. So this is all about possessive pronoun. Now, whenever we explain possessive pronoun, it is very important to explain what possessive adjective is, because students get confused. They cannot differentiate. They cannot distinguish between possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. But the hint is very easy. What is the hint? It is very easy to distinguish between possessive adjective और possessive pronoun. यानी बड़ा आसान है possessive adjective और possessive pronoun में differentiate करना. Possessive adjective जो होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? They are always used with noun. As I have written here with the possessive adjective, you can see in the table कि हमेशा जो possessive adjectives होते हैं उनके बाद जो है वो क्या होता है? हमेशा कोई ना कोई noun होता है, because they always do the work of an adjective. और ये किसका काम कर रहे होते हैं? लेकिन इनकी functionality, इनका जो working होती है, इनका जो काम होता है वो कैसा होता है? इनका काम as an adjective होता है. जबकि possessive pronoun में you can see यहाँ पर आपको कभी भी noun नहीं मिलेगा. You can see in the example as well. आपको possessive pronoun के बाद you cannot see the noun here. So अगर आपके possessive pronoun के बाद कोई noun आ रहा है तो this will not be possessive pronoun anymore. आपका वो pronoun नहीं रहेगा, क्योंकि as I told you in the beginning कि pronoun वो word होता है जो instead of noun होता है and they do not come together. और मैंने आपको शुरू में भी example दी थी इसकी. So with my you can put any noun. My book, my uncle, my father, my mother, our school, our college, our university, our country, our city, your book, your car, your house, his uncle, his book, his pencil, her dog, her cat, her cow, its spouse, its beak, its tail, their family, their toys, their houses, whatever you want to put. It means that it is compulsory to use noun along with possessive adjective. This is very important. This is very important point, because यहीं पर जो है student mistake कर देते हैं. And I can show you the examples again. Examples में भी आप देखिए जो the first sentence of every example is I am showing the position through possessive adjective, नॉट पॉसेसिव प्रोनाउन. आप देख सकते हैं कि मैं पोजीशन जो है वो किसके थ्रू शो कर रही हूँ. आई एम शोइंग दिस पोजीशन थ्रू पॉसेसिव एडजेक्टिव, नॉट पॉसेसिव प्रोनाउन. एज यू कैन सी दीज आर बुक्स. ठीक है. इसी तरह हमारे पास नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल है. दिस इज his car. As you can see, there is a noun after it. As you can see in the first example, there is a noun after it. This is her rosary. This is also a possessive adjective. You can see here there is a noun. Those are their pencil. This is also a possessive adjective, and you can see there is a noun pencils. Okay. Now we have some book exercises. Okay, come to exercise 1. You will have to fill in the blanks in the following exercise with the possessive pronoun given in the box below. You can use one pronoun only once. Write the complete sentences in your notebook. Okay, but you can see there is a printing mistake here. As I told you कि जो possessive pronouns होते हैं वो कभी भी apostrophe s उसमें नहीं आता. तो what is the correction here? It will be yours. Okay, there is also a correction. Hers. There is also a correction. So this is a mistake. These are some they have written, they have printed along with apostrophe. So आपको क्या करना है, आपको इन यही जो possessive pronoun जो आपको बॉक्स में दिए हुए आपको इसको only once एक ही दफ़ा यूज़ करना है. और you will have to complete the sentences by putting possessive pronoun. First I am doing for you. First sentence. This is the cat's food. The food is, बताइए, for the cat as you know that this is an animal. तो animal के लिए हम क्या किसके थ्रू possession शो करेंगे. You will have to use it's here. That second एक दफ़ा और देख लीजिए. That house belongs to us. The house is because it belongs to us. Us का मतलब हमारा है. तो for what is the correct possessive pronoun for this sentence? It will be ours. Okay. In this way you will have to solve this. Fill in the blanks with suitable possessive pronoun with the help of the hints. Write the answers in your notebook. Here the hints are given. Belongs to Meena. My dress. Socks belongs to you. And the same way there are some hints are written. I am doing randomly for you. Pick up the fifth one. Sarah has cleaned her cupboards, but Sana has not cleaned dash yet. तो ये सारा ने अपनी कबर्ड क्लीन कर ली है, लेकिन सना ने जो है वो नहीं की है. तो सनास की कबर्ड के लिए हम सना कबर्ड की बिलोंगनेस सना से कैसे शो करेंगे. तो यहाँ पर हम क्या लिखेंगे. शी हैज़ नॉट क्लीन्ड हर्स एज येट. अभी तक उसने अपनी कबर्ड साफ नहीं की है. So in this way you will solve this exercise. Okay, and the exercise 3 is similar to exercise 1 and 3. If you read it, these are in the form of dialogues between Mansoor and Yaqub. The dialogues are given. So inshallah you can do it easily if you understand what possessive pronoun is. And this is for you to solve this exercise number 1, 2 and 3 in your book, not in your notebook. No need to copy down these exercises in your notebook. This should be done in your book. Okay, this is for today. Inshallah ta'ala it will be easier to solve this all these exercises. I am showing you the homework is to solve exercise 1, 2 and 3 which are given in page number 11, 12 and 13. Inshallah ta'ala we will meet you in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.